This video discusses Amazon Web Services Lambda, or AWS Lambda, as it's sometimes called. Lambda enables you to run code in response to events. The advantage to Lambda over other compute services in AWS is that you don't have to manage any of the infrastructure related to your code within AWS. Lambda and AWS take care of the entire stack for you. All you have to do is write the code, and AWS will take care of executing that code in response to an event that you get to specify. Lambda is found within the compute section of Amazon Web Services console, and you can get into it by clicking Lambda. Once inside the console, if you're here for the first time, you'll get the first run wizard like you see here. The content will likely be similar. You can click on Get Started Now. Lambda enables you currently to run code written in 3 different languages. You can run code in Node.js, in Python 2.7, or in Java. Any of those 3 languages are available for Lambda functions. Once you upload your code, it becomes what's called a Lambda function. You then set up an event source, and that event source calls the Lambda function. Lambda works in a push and a pull model. In a push model, the event source will trigger the Lambda function. In a pull model, Lambda will poll for that event source. In other words, it'll ask another service like S3, has this event occurred? If it has, then Lambda will trigger the function. When the function is triggered in Lambda, it will receive information about the event. Again, looking at S3, it will receive something like the object key or the bucket name that the event occurred in. Within the context of Lambda, you choose the compute resources, in other words, the amount of CPU and RAM that you'll need for your function to execute properly. You'll also set a timeout and some other parameters. Choose Lambda when you don't want to manage that infrastructure. If you do, on the other hand, need access to the back end, then choose something like EC2 or Elastic Beanstalk that give you access to the infrastructure or that virtual machine on the back end.